The Inspire?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Come handy now. All right.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to day number 2 of the Philly travel vlog. Let me try that again. Day number 2 travel vlog. We are at a secret location that's probably not so secret to the locals here, but Billy's flown here a couple of times before. We've seen some videos here, and it's a super cool scenery. And we've got Mr. Joe Mariano with us today. Say hi, Joe.
Hello.
Billy is walking with the Inspire.
Yo, I'm regretting this.
Yeah. Pretty creepy.
In the movie I Am Legend, when Will Smith is like going through that building and it's really dark,
Yeah.
and he gets chased by the zombies and he runs down and he like breaks through the glass, I think.
No,
Kind of like that.
That sums that up. So what's going on?
So usually when I come here to fly, you're able to walk all the way to this one building on the corner, and it's cool because you get from the roof, fly around, you can see everything. But the door is now cinder blocked. I'm no karate kid, I can't break through it.
Yeah, I'm not satisfied. Kick it harder.
No, that's in there. That's the door right there.
I feel like
Joe is rummaging around over there. He's trying to find another way in.
Good find, Joe.
I've got this. Open sesame. It made me feel a little better. Thought is, we can climb our way into this building. This looks secure.
Okay.
Good job.
Oh man, dude, you suck.
I'm gonna call that no. I'm gonna say no. Just a little, no. Let's find another way.
I gotta show them some of the stuff I shot right now.
What do you think, Joe? You have fun?
I had awesome. Thanks for inviting me. I appreciate it.
Anytime, man, anytime. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, the drone footage, and flying the Evo. It was super fun. A lot of abandoned places, a lot of awesome shots, and as always, stay original. See you later.